it's Miss Grundle here for Math Lesson 16 today. Today, our I can statement is I can make a comparison of area. Before we get going, we're going to need our Lesson 16 template, which looks just like this. So please find this in your math book. Okay. Now, when I talk about the area of something, that means the inside or what would fit. So I got a little yellow square. And today we are going to look at what would fit inside this square and how much of that would fit. I'm going to show you the square right next to my hand. What do you think would fit inside this square? I think probably a paper clip, a toy car, maybe some blocks. What do you think? Today we are going to test out 3 different things to see what fits in my square. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so we can take a closer look. The first thing that I have is a circle. Let's see if my circle fits inside the square. Yes, it does. Now, here's the question. Do we have enough room to put another circle in? Maybe if I scooch it over a little. Maybe down here? Want to make sure I don't go outside of the edge. I don't think so. I think we can fit one circle inside of my square. I'm going to record a picture of this on my template. So, on my template, it says, my square. We already have that one done for us. This one says, my square covered with a circle. So, my circle was sitting in the middle. It took up a lot of space, but not all of it. There, that's a picture of my circle. All right, let's try another one. Down here, it says my square covered with little squares. All right, let's try it. So here's my big square again. Now I have some little square tiles. Let's see how many of these I can fit onto my square. Please help me count these while I put them on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that just fits. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do my best to make sure they are all inside as close together as possible. All right, let's keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If we can get one more. 16. Wow, that perfectly fills up my square with 16 little square tiles. All right, I'm going to record a picture of this and my template. So, down here, I noticed that I had 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That's what it looked like when my big square was covered in little tiles. I'm going to clear my board so that we can do this last one. This one says, my square covered with beans. Well, I have some special math beans that I'm going to use. They look like this. So they're not real beans, but they're just math counter beans. All right, let me get this square ready for us. Can you make a prediction and guess how many beans do you think will fit in this square? That's how big a bean is. Let's find out together. Please help me count. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I get it on there? Yep, just fits. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see, does it fit? There we go. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, so now we're at the same number as the squares had. Here's 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now I notice there's a little space left at the top, but I'm not sure if any beans are going to fit there. Let's try. Even when I put it as close as possible, it's still over the edge a little bit. So I don't think any more beans are going to fit on this paper. So my number is 20. 20 beans fit onto my square. Now I'm going to try my best to make a picture of this on my template. Okay. So, show that there's kind of a bean shape and that they're close to each other, but there were still some little gaps. It wasn't as perfect as the squares were. Those fit really nice. Okay. You can draw your beans on your template too. And remember, when we're doing our math, it's okay to just do a quick sketch. We don't have to be great artists right now. Okay. Get a few more on here. Try to fill up my space. All right. That looks pretty good to me. Thank you for working with me today, everyone. I had fun testing the area, or the amount of space, inside my square. When you're done, you can share your work with your teacher. I will see you all later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.